Hey guys, Sean Taggy here. Today, I'm going to be diving into 3 zip codes and showing you how they've appreciated over the years from 16, 17, 18, and 2019. I'll be diving into zip codes 38125, 38135, and 38117. So, all right, let's stay tuned to check it out. So guys, let me help you get an idea of how these properties have appreciated over the years. Going to share my screen and dive into zip code 38125. 38125. So this zip code is in the kind of Hickory Hill, southeastern section. Some of it does pop into the Germantown area, south of Poplar Ave. Giving you an idea of this neighborhood, quite a few homeowners in this area. B plus, A minus neighborhood. A little bit bigger houses, built a little newer, 80s, 90s, 20s, 2010s, 2020s even. How new houses getting built over here. Um, a lot of pride of ownership. Also, a lot of rental properties in here as well. Hedge funds are buying in these neighborhoods in the 150,000 plus. So definitely a great area to invest in. And let me show you why even more. So in 2016, the average home price was 164,000. If you've seen my other zip codes up until this one, this is the highest average priced zip code I've shown that we do have turnkey rental properties in, all fixed up. We also have done new builds in this area, new construction. So because, the average price per foot is creeping up into that area where it's worth actually building. In the most of these other zip codes I've shown, the cost price per square foot, sell price per square foot is too low to where it would cost you more to build than it is what the current house is in its condition. So just showing that. So then 2017, the average sale price was 173,000. So let's see how much that's gone up. $9,500 nearly, or 5.8% appreciation. Heck yeah, I'll take that all day. So then in 2018, the average sale price was 195,000, and in 2017 it was 174, as I mentioned, a whopping 20 grand increase. This is the highest increase I've seen in 1 year in any zip code I've analyzed so far. 12%, not the highest percentage rate, but definitely the highest dollar amount rate increase. So a whopping 12% increase on already a big, kind of sell price. Then in 19 to 202,000, or and a $6,800 increase, or 3.5% appreciation. Not bad. I'll still take it. 3.5%. So I mean, God, that is an awesome appreciation. Let's show it over the span of the 3 years. So $38,000 appreciation. If you're buying in 2016, if you bought in this zip code in 17, you're sitting pretty high and tight, feeling great about yourself. So let's dive into zip code 38135. Let's just pull it up on the map real quick. It is up in the Bartlett area. I personally live in this area of Bartlett, and it is a great area. I like it personally. It's kind of on the suburbs, a little more peaceful, a little more quiet. But what's nice is you have the 40 freeway that you can pop on and get anywhere. I mean, I can still get to downtown Memphis 20 minutes, 25 minutes, or pretty much anywhere in town in 30 minutes. So it's a nice area. A lot of homeowners in this area. Definitely B plus, A minus neighborhood, similar to 38125, just a different type of area of living. So yeah, let's check it out. Dive into the numbers here. So in 2016, 158,000. In 2017, $167,000. A huge appreciation of $9,600, or 6.1 appreciation. I will take that all day as well. In 2018, 181,000 sale price. So another whopping 5-figure appreciation, or 8.2%. And then in 19, yet again, $197,000 sale price, 5-figure appreciation of 16,000, or almost in the double digits of 8.9% average appreciation. Me in particular, the house that I own, I bought it in 2018. The ARV was 240, and 270 is what it's worth now. So mine appreciated quite a bit as well. What is that? 30 grand and equals 30 grand on what it originally was. So my little sub market was 12 and a half in a different zip code, but still in Bartlett. So yeah, there's some great increases in pricing there. If you held on to something from 16 to 19, you would see an average 40 grand appreciation. I really think this is a great neighborhood. Just keeping you in mind, it is hard to find houses in this neighborhood to work as a turnkey property because they're creeping up into the $200,000 range, where rents would be in the 1,300 range. So just that rent to value starts creeping down, which hurts your cash flow. That's meaning a lot of homeowners are buying in these neighborhoods. First time home buyer neighborhood in the sub 200s, mid 200 range. So people are loving these neighborhoods and swamping all over Bartlett and picking up all these cute little 1980s, 70s, and 90s houses. There are some new builds as well going on in here. I see new builds selling in the kind of eastern part of Bartlett in the 270s plus, I mean 300s even. So just giving you an idea of Bartlett. And now let's dive into 38117. So 38117, East Memphis, the prestigious East Memphis. Really cool area, kind of the hip area to live. A lot of college students, when they get married, will live here, or people also retirees. People have lived here. They sell their big house in Germantown and kind of live in here. Kind of some of the talk I've heard of town. There's Memphis Botanical Gardens. So a lot of homeowners. I call this an A neighborhood. And then in the southern section is the more rental area, where you'll find turnkeys. As you go more north, I mean, there's $1 million homes all along Poplar, $600, $1,000 homes, 400, homes in the 350s, all up here in the northern section. So really, you will not. This is A plus all through here. Then you kind of creep into the A in the southern pocket, and then B plus, A minus in the southern more rental area. But like I mentioned, it's kind of like the path of progression. First-time home buyers can't buy here anymore, so they're getting closer and closer down into here. So I see this becoming more and more homeowner and things like that. So really great neighborhood. I definitely would keep your eye on this one as well. I mean, pretty much all these zip codes are great. So keep an eye on each and every single one of them. Keep an eye on Memphis, of course. So yeah, looking at these home prices in 16, 195,000, 17, 196,000 average sale price. So as you can see, high rent price per square foot in the 110s. So a $746 increase, or 0.4% appreciation. But then it made up for it in 2018 with 226 average sale price, almost a 30 grand whopping increase, the highest I've seen out of all these comparisons. Rightfully so, because it is in the above 200 range, 120 a foot. So that is telling me homeowners. That is also telling me lots of new builds going on. If there's a rundown house, you could tear it down, build a nice big mansion, is what I'm seeing in this neighborhood a lot. 2019, the average sale price was $237,000. So a 11 grand appreciation, or 5%. I will take that all day. So this neighborhood has definitely seen the highest dollar amount appreciation. 42,000. So be on the lookout for this zip code as well. We do have turnkey properties in here. They're getting harder and harder to find, in particular in these three higher end zip codes. So when they do happen, I would jump on them. You are not going to have as great of a cash on cash return in these zip codes compared to kind of these others. But I see a lot of homeowner activity. Your exit strategy could be two exit strategies: sell to a homeowner or sell to an investor. Potentially, instead of just one exit strategy in some of these zip codes where it's just sell to an investor, maybe a homeowner, seller finance or something. But, pros and cons to each one of these zip codes. Check out all these videos that I'm sharing on all of these zip codes. I have other ones on these other zip codes here to kind of help you make a more informed decision of where the zip code has been. And so you can kind of predict and model where it will go. My thoughts is I think see things going up from at least the previous data. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. Let me just say goodbye to everyone. Thank you so much. Check us out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and our videos. I appreciate you so much. Commenting, liking our videos. helping us get our name out there. Tell your friends, get people, we can help them invest in Memphis and diversify from the crazy stock market. And yeah, thank you guys very much. Have a good one.